Unfortunately, deeds are not always the ultimate indicator of ownership. You can have multiple different prior rights that can take precedent. You can have multiple deeds. So unfortunately, just because one individual has a deed to a property doesn't necessarily mean that they have the rights to that property. Generally, when people come to us with a problem with a deed, we end up having to do what's called a quiet title action, which involves making sure that ownership interests are identified and protected.